everyone, welcome back to Unique Advertising YouTube channel. So today we are going to break down everything you need to know about digital marketing. So whether you're new to this field or you are skilled in this, these techniques will help you in shaping your skills. So today we are going to learn about the 4 basics in the digital marketing. Firstly, it's about the Google keyword research, then website analytics, SEO tools and Google Ads creation. So let's start. So now we are going to learn about the Google keyword research. So Google keyword research is a fundamental part in the SEO. So the keywords which we used in the search engine is the one which optimizes the functioning of our campaign. So basically it is finding and analyzing the search terms that people type into the search engines for the needs. So the goal of collecting this data or making this keyword research is to optimize the content so that it appears high in the searching of audiences. So Google keyword research is where the basic digital marketing strategy begins. So Google keywords make us understand that what our audience is needed. What are the things which is searched by our audience. So understanding what the keywords searched by the audience and implementing it in our strategies or campaign is the basic criteria which helps in optimizing our SEO. So let's start with how to do a keyword research. So basically we need to set up a broad headings or keywords related to what is our campaign is all about. So we could understand what all are the keywords searched by the audiences using platforms like Google Keyword Planner, SEM or Ahrefs. These are the platforms which are the popular platforms which discover high volume keywords and analyze the competition among these keywords. So next, analyzing what are the keywords searched by the audience. So and third step is looking for the long tail keyword. The phrases needs to be specific so that it need not confuse the Google Ads or the creators or the SEO and also the audiences. And next is analyzing the search intent. What all information are people looking about? Is it readable or is it simple terms which is aligning with our campaigns? And next finally is to understand and analyze whether these keywords are performing or is it related to the campaigns which we are made of.
Next up, we have website analytics and SEO tools, and these are crucial for tracking your digital marketing campaign and your SEO. So I will be discussing some of the must-have tools for your website analytics and SEO. So the first one is Google Analytics. So this is the go-to tool for tracking the website traffic and understanding the user behavior and conversion rate. And with the introduction of Google Analytics, you can now get more data, including cross-platform tracking. So the next one is Google Search Console. So you can use this tool to track your site search performance, submit sitemap, and find any error that could be affecting your ranking. So the third one is SEMrush and Ahrefs. Both of these are fantastic for in-depth SEO audit, competitor analysis, and backlink tracking. So coming to the last one, that is Moz. It is another great tool for SEO insight, especially when it comes to domain authority and keyword tracking. So with the help of all of these tools, you will be able to monitor your website health, track key metrics, to make data-driven decisions to improve your SEO and digital marketing strategy.
Hi all, I'll be talking about how to get a Google ad. Share. So for starting a Google ad, we need to first create a campaign and we need to choose our objective from it. For consider this as an example, and we are choosing sales content. So we tap on sales and we again get a lot of a dialog box under this, and we just tap on continue, not doing anything. Yeah. Then we have to choose which type of campaign it is. So here I am choosing search campaign, and here we can see we got 3 different options. So if it's a website, we can tap on website and provide the link below. If it's a phone call, we have to give the phone number and we have to connect it to the app. So here, since we are doing it on a desktop, we'll be choosing website visit and put the link and tap on continue. Yeah, and we have to provide a name for the campaign. Consider this as a trial run. So search trial campaign is what I'm putting. And we have to start new. We have to click start new. And so here we have to put the bid. I mean, and cost as well. So we can do suppose we like for each click. And for bidding, it depends on how your organization or the service objectives is or how you have the budget for this. And we will be going and clicking next. And we have to enable this both options, search network and display network. Then from this we have to choose our geography or location and the presence which we need to have. We can choose all or India or enter another location, like we can focus on a particular geographic place, like it can be Kochi, Ernakulam, any small place. So here we are choosing India because we need to focus a lot for a broad market. And yeah, we can choose the language, which is very important also. We can not only choose English, we can choose any other language focusing on the geography. The language differs. And here we can choose targeting and observation. So targeting is we will be focusing on a niche market, and observation we will be focusing on a broad market. So while we are tapping on observation, and yeah, we have to choose what type of consumers we are focusing on, or the audience. So we will tap on browse, set the demographics, parent status, national status, education. We can choose as we like, and how they have interacted with our business. And we can also put custom combinations, and we can use broad keyword match. We'll be using broad because I mean, for example, depending on the website or any keyword, the research or query should result in upbringing of our website or ranking of our website on the top. And just let it on, and up on those settings we can put a start and end date for the campaign. Consider here the start date is today and the end date is like on the end of this month. So yeah, this campaign will be running within this month and in this hour. And we can schedule that depending on the time which we want. For example, we can start it from like morning 6 to night like 11 p.m. because between this time, yeah, people will be mostly using internet or in digital platform, and we can optimize that on base of the performance, and also put a campaign URL as well. And we need to put final URL. I mean, based on this, Google will help us in creating particular words or keywords depending on the site which we have created. And we can see here we need to provide the display bar. I mean, this will provide a preview of how it will appear on your phone. We have to put headline, side link, call out, and we have to put minimum of, we have seen like they have already provided us a guideline of some sort, like we have to put 4 description, 15 headlines, and the path which will be shown. So we have to render it accordingly. It's also very vital for the Google app, and we have to put call outs also. This all we need to fill it, and then we have to click next again, and we have to put a daily budget. So yeah, if we have done this clearly, then this options which showing like fix the issue won't be appearing here. And if we have done it all, so it will just show us a preview at the end, like what we have done and what this campaign is going to cover and how it is. So yeah, and at the end there will be like a finish or execute option. So by tapping it, we'll be able to execute this ad campaign. Since I am not completed the implementation, it's not available right now, but it will be again.
So I'm going to talk about what would be an ideal landing page. So here is some key points regarding creating an ideal landing page. So first one is a clear and compelling headline. So it talks about keeping the headline concise and focusing on the benefits rather than just the features. For example, instead of our software has many features, you save time and boost productivity with our all in one software. And the second point talks about the strong call to action, CTA. The CTA should be visually prominent and typically through the use of bold contrast colors. The text on the button should be action oriented, such as say get start now, download free guide, or join today. The third point is talks about the benefit focused copy, where it says write in simple scannable language with a short paragraph, bullet points, or headlines that break up the text. And the fourth point is that is social proof. It talks about the use of authentic testimonials from real customers, ideally including their name, photo, and company. Case studies, video testimonials, or logos of well-known companies that use your product can also add credibility. And the fifth point, it talks about the visual and media, where it says that the use of visual that complement the copy and to enhance the message. For example, if we are offering a product, show images of it, use or a video that demonstrates its features and benefits. And the last point is about the mobile optimization and speed. To make sure your landing page is fully responsive, meaning it adjusts and looks great
So hi all.
on all
So
screen
I'll be
size
talking
from
about
desktop
how
to
to
smartphone.
set a conversion using Google Tag Manager. So this is in relation with Google Ads. So I will be sharing my screen. So this is the user interface of Google Tag Manager. This is what the home screen of Google Tag Manager looks like. So in order to set up a conversion, first we need to set up the trigger. So we need to click on this trigger icon. After that, we need to select the trigger, and we need to add this, click this button, new button, and we need to select this, and what or which trigger we want to choose. So I am choosing here is the page view. So I'm clicking on this one, and not all pages I am clicking, some page views I am clicking. So I need to select page URL I am selecting, because this is done for my website, my specific page I am doing this. So it does need to it should it should be it should contains the URL, which is like this one. So I'm selecting this services here, and I'm selecting this, and I'm going to save this. So I'm saying the page view. So the trigger has been implemented, and the name is page view. After that, I'm going to implement the tags. So for implementing the tags, first we need to configure Google Ads. So that we need to select conversion action. This is the home of Google Ads, from conversion action. And here we need to select website because it's page view. So we need to paste our site or website link, which is like this one, and we need to paste it here and click on scan. And after that, we need to click on add a conversion action manually. And after that, we need to select the goal. So mine is like click on this thing to have page view. Page view is the one I'm referring here. So conversion name is like page view conversion. And after that, I need to select a value. This can be left as blank. And also this, for this I'm selecting 1 because this is the correct thing to select. And after that, I'm clicking done. Save and continue. There are 3 steps in which we can connect this with the Google Tag Manager. First one is set up with the Google Tag email instruction to your master. I'm using this one. Use Google Tag Manager. This is more convenient. So we need to paste this conversion ID and conversion later. So we come to Tag Manager, and we need to click on tags, and on clicking tags we need to click new. Also tag configuration we need to click. We need to select Google Ads, Google Ads conversion tracking. We need to click. After that, this is where we need to copy that conversion ID. So I'm copying this conversion ID. This here, copying this. This will be that the label is this one, label conversion. This is the label ID. This will be here. The all can be left blank, and we need to save this. So this is the way in which we can like add a conversion action using Tag Manager. This is done on solely on with Google Ads. So whenever a person click on an ad and come to the website, we can know the conversion action they have done. So for my side, there is no forms filling or nothing like that. My intention is to know how many people visited this page, to know their intention, to have an this is to have an more precise about our marketing effort. This conversion is done to have a more precise about our marketing effort. That's it.